Okay, let's look at the definition of parallel lines. All right, so we say, let's say line L is parallel to line M, if and only if. Right, there are a couple things needs to happen. All right, first one is they have to live in the same plane. So L and M are both on the same half plane, live in the same half plane. Say, not half plane, plane P. Right, and also two. Right, in order to be parallel, we know that there should not be any intersection. So L intersect M has to be an empty set. Right, so those are the two conditions. Right, so here's an example. Right, so we can draw, so here's a line, the plane, and we could have two lines on that plane, and they're not intersect. Oops, that looks like they're gonna intersect, but they are not intersecting. So this would be an example of a couple of parallel lines. Right here, another example would be even if they live on the same plane, for example, like this one. So this, I guess this will be L and this will be M, and here this is our L, right? But it clears the first condition, but this guy actually shares a point here, right? So you can see that the 1, 2, maybe I should do it here. So 1, 2. Right, this clears two conditions. Right, this one clears that because they live in the same plane, but 2 is violated. So therefore, this is not an example of parallel lines. All right, and how about this one? So you have a line on this plane, right? And then non-intersecting line, say it's going to go pierce through, so it's going to go behind the plane. And then kind of like that. So this is our L and this is our M. Right. So if you check those two conditions, 1 and 2, right, even though it clears the second condition, they're non-intersecting, but they do not live in the same plane. So therefore, this is not an example of parallel lines. All right. So those are the this is the the definition of parallel lines, and from these pictures, I think it's pretty clear. All right. That's it. I hope that this was clear.